Let's dive a bit deeper into the transition from that traditional PowerPoint presentation to interactive experiences. So how did this shift contribute to the overall effectiveness of MX sales strategy, and what kind of feedback was given?
Yeah, MX really wanted to level up the end user experience that their prospects were having. The team wanted the content to help provide those more engaging conversations between the sales rep and the prospective client. A static PowerPoint presentation just has limitations for truly being able to captivate an audience and inviting them to actively participate and digest what they're being presented with. Jeff will share a little bit more in this next clip, but overall, that transformation of their sales content by bringing it into Ceros really improved that user experience and piqued the interest of their prospects to want to learn more.